We have gathering experience about
ভিডিও করতে যাইস
this is
Bear Grylls.
Bear Grylls experience.
Bear Grylls.
We
Method.
fire on the fish and it will dry, and next we will eat it. Now viewers, see the things that two people, including on Oman. Two people are Rohim and Rubel, and Oman is Joel or Furti. Listeners, you hear the slang of his Khankimagi. He told you Khankimagi, but I don't know what he tell about Khankimagi. Oh, by the way, the fish is about to dry, and Rubel Mollik Sabir is SK Azam Khan try his best duty, and Abdi Abdur Rahim SK is also trying. Joel is helping them. He is their wife at this moment. Please don't mind. Viewers, the fire is on, and they are trying their best. Here you are see a tall fish name. We don't know that his name, but its name. But
Sea fish.
sea fish. But we know that it's a sea fish, and the fish is ready to eat. Then Rubel Mollik Sabir is trying to eating it. Yeah. We have many fish in the polythene. No. Wow, Rubel, what do you mean photo?
I am nothing.
What do you mean photo?
Photo is the Magi photo.
Magi photo. Oh, what is Magi?
Magi is a তুই ভিডিও করতেছিস নাই হাই আল্লাহ তুই ভিডিও করতেছিস
Magi is a things that we are using them in the night. And listener, you are seeing, viewers, you are seeing the world's #1 largest sea beach, Cox's Bazar. It's not Cox's Bazar, it's Kuakata, and there is many tall trees about 100 feet. Yeah!
Oh!
Rubel, please eat it. Please.
I am sharing with my friends.
Yo!